That's Holly, our little cavoodle. She loves the puppies. She's really gentle with them. She just lies there and they jump all over her. Very, very gentle with them. Aren't you, Holly? Yes. They're having a play. I had to flip the doggy stairs over onto their sides so that they don't climb up onto the couch, because I don't want anyone falling off the couch, obviously. Aren't they playing with you, Holly? Hey, you're going to go and join in. You go and join in. I'll see if we can look around the corner. Now they're jumping on her, trying to. Such a good girl, aren't you, Holly? So gentle with the babies. G'day guys, welcome back. Just putting my grubby gloves back on. Welcome to Pouring Your Heart Out. Now I'm going to do another Dutch pour inspired by the lovely Molly, which I did the other one the other day, and like I was going for New Year's Eve, like fireworks and things, but I actually ended up getting like stormy night. But hey, now this time, look at my colours. What do you think? Does that remind you of something, like maybe a sunset? So going to try again with some sunset colours. Less metallic this time because the metallic really took over last time. What have I done? Oh, I've mixed more paint this time because you know how I was trying to blow the black across and I didn't have enough paint. Like if you saw the other video, you'll know what I'm talking about. I don't think I had enough paint, so I've made up a bit extra paint. I'm going with Liquitex Basics. They're all Liquitex Basics except for the silver, which is the Extreme Sheen. So with the Liquitex Basics, I've mixed them 40 grams of paint, 40 grams of water, and 20 grams of Floetrol. That's just what I'm having a go with. Reducing the amount of Floetrol from the previous one. So I've got the white, so the white's the opaque. Then I've got the cadmium yellow light. It's a semi-transparent. It tells you on the side, the little box is half coloured in. And then the pinky one is medium magenta. See a little box there, half coloured in, semi-transparent again. This one is a transparent. See the box is all coloured in. As a, what did I say? It's an opaque, same as the white, opaque. Light blue permanent. And then my blue is phthalo blue with a bit of black. And that one is semi-transparent as well. So yeah. So so I mixed them 40 grams paint, 40 grams water, 20 grams of Floetrol. This one I've mixed 30 grams of paint and 10 grams of water and 10 grams of Floetrol because it's much thinner, like it's a thinner paint, but I do want it to be a little bit thicker than the colours. Just because otherwise the pearls, well, cells, lacing, whatever you want to call them, when they pop up, they grow a little bit too much sometimes. But we'll see what we got. I've got my hairdryer. I've set it to cold. That's cold, that's hot, so I've got it on cold. I'm not sure whether I put it on low, which is that one. or high, which is that one. So I don't know, and it's got the little flat nozzly thing. Might try that way. I don't know, or that way. I don't know. I need to watch some more YouTube videos on these things. I don't know. I've never done them. Well, except for the one yesterday. Well, maybe not your yesterday, my yesterday. Right, white. Bit of silver. I'll do 2 rows of the silver. And then I want to come in with the yellow. And then the pink. Now that will obviously give me maybe a bit of an orange, but that's okay. Sunset colours. And then some more white. And then the blue, the light blue. And then some more silver. And that's the end of the silver. Might as well just finish it off. I'm running a bit low on my extreme Sheen colours. I need to buy more. The sides, I just grabbed my paintbrush, I dipped it in there, and I just did the sides. But I'm going to blow the paint over the edge anyway, but that's what I did. Might be a few lumps in this blue. I think it was the black because I added the black afterwards. Like I mixed up the blue and then I added the black. So it's not so easy to mix some of the colours. I find it easier to put your paint in the cup first, add 10 grams of water, mix that to a nice creamy paste, and then add the rest of your water. Otherwise, if you add too much water, it's just too hard to get smooth. You know what I mean? Let's just cover the corners there. Alrighty. I would like a little bit more like blue in the center, but I don't know. Let's just go for it, hey? Let's just go for it. Hopefully I won't blow all the... Actually, maybe I can put a little bit of... tiny bit of blue here. Just like that. Otherwise I'll end up blowing all my blue right off and you won't see it. Maybe. Alright. Are you ready? Am I ready? I don't know whether to... I still don't know whether to go that way or go that way. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to hold it upside down. On low. Here we go. Why have I got so much white in the middle? I'm going to turn this around. Not quite sure why I've got so much white in the middle. See, I'm not getting much blue, am I? I'm losing a lot of my blue. Right, let's go again. Okay. Oh my gosh. Why have I got so much white in the middle? I don't know. It's really pretty though. I just wish I didn't have so much white.